Welcome to What I Eat Today Meal Prep Edition! Good morning guys! Welcome back to my channel. As I mentioned in my previous video, starting today, besh, mag-meal prep na tayo and ordered meal prep online. So it's from Dailies. Ito nakalagay Dailies. Ayan. And it's 5 meals. Actually 3 meals and 2 snacks. So all in all is 1.5 calories a day. And yeah, starting today, papakita ko sa inyo what I eat in a day. Calorie deficit version. So huwag na natin patayin pa guys. Let's start eating! Alright mga besh, for breakfast, I have here sriracha tuna quesadilla with this Mexican salsa. And it comes with a snack na sugar-free cookies. So, tikman natin mga besh because I'm very excited. Natutulog pa lang ako kasi graveyard shift ako. So, let's go. Buti na lang light siya. So, this is how it looks like. I think this is, wheat na pita. I got the balanced diet originally, but for today, I don't know why they gave me the medical one. But, the-request ko na, sabi ko bukas, starting tomorrow, I'm gonna get the balanced diet one. So let's dip it some Mexican salsa, guys. Come on. That's very tasty. That's so good. Isa pa. Ang sarap. So basically it's pita bread with tuna and cheese. Oh, pero masarap yung pinaka Mexican salsa mga besh, ang sarap. Then mag-snack tayo. I am done eating. I'll go ahead and sleep now. At pagising ko mag-workout tayo and then magla-lunch. Come on. Meal number 2. Hey guys, I'm currently working and it's lunchtime. It's 12 noon. And for lunch, I'm having this grilled salmon. Woo! Grilled salmon salad. So yung croutons dito daw ay low fat daw. Low fat? Low fat ba? Basta ay nasa basta pang diet siya. Tapos sugar free na honey mustard, come on. So of course, itatop ko na lahat ng mga ingredients sa salad. Kasi nakahiwala yung yung salmon at saka itong tawag dito, croutons. And I don't know why hindi na pinagsama, but like siguro there's something about it na ewan ko, yung texture, ganon. So this is how it looks like now. Lalagyan ko na po ng dressing. Let's go. Let's put the dressing. Yun, mukhang masarap to guys. Ako ay super fan ng salmon at talagang walang makakapigil sa akin pagdating sa isdang ito. Salmon or tuna is my favorite. Okay? So, I'll mix everything together. Medyo hiwa-hiwain si salmon para maging, bite-size. Diba? Come on! So far, guys, gutom ako. Medyo konti yung breakfast. Oh. Pero, okay lang. Dinadaan ko po siya sa tubig. Sa totoo lang sa true lang tayo. By the way, nag-reply ng ating supplier ng ating pagkain now. And sabi nila, papalitan daw nila ito balanced diet mode tomorrow. Ayan. So, update nila ako tonight. Ayan. Tapos after nito, pag bumaba na yung kinain natin sis, mag-gym tayo. Okay? So, ayan na siya guys. Kain na tayo. Try muna natin kung masarap ba. Kung masarap pa siya, isa pa, ay! Sayang, wala pa 5 minutes. Shut! Ba talaga pag salmon, guys? Kung malakasan, bias ko to. Sure! Isa pa, Tingnan natin mga besh kung survive tayo until mamayang gabi. I'll be super honest to you guys. Pero I don't think bubusugin ako nito. Pero tingnan natin kasi heavy ang ating dinner. Check natin later. Okay? Work lang ako. Final meal of the day. Chicken barbecue na low sodium with java rice and gulay. Come on, in fairness sis. Hindi ako kumain na iba today. Ito lang ang kinain ko. Oo. Tinulog ko lang gutom ko. Pongala. But anyways, tikman na natin mga sis. Let's go. So, ang ginamit nila dito ay chicken breast. Ayan no. Chicken breast. Ayan. So, ang gagawin ko, i-dip ko na lang siya dito sa sauce. Ayan. May kasama siyang barbecue sauce sis eh. Ayan no. Diba? So, tara, let's try it na. Yes. Oh, i-dip natin. Come on. Oh. Yes. I-dip na natin. Ooh, that's so good. It's so yummy. With Java rice. So, my only rice for today. Java rice. Solid. Hanggang dito, inumulto ako ni Kangkong na adobo. Come on. O, diba? Actually, may apple pa ako doon. Yun ang gagawin kong dessert, guys. Finally, meal. May rice. Parang dapat baliktad, no? Dapat yung rice nung lunch. Tapos yung salad ko nung lunch. Tapos ginawang dinner, no? Parang lighter. Anyways. Kain na, Ngayon tayo ba? Diba? Low sodium to pero malasa. In fairness. Ang sarap. Oh my gosh, that's it for me for today. That's my meal. I can't wait to show you guys what my meal is tomorrow. But starting tomorrow, hindi na siya sa medical category. Nasa balanced diet category na siya. Hopefully, may enjoy ko din yung food ko tomorrow. If you like this kind of video, all about food and travel, please, subscribe and hit that notification bell para may notify ka sa mga future videos ko. Come on, I post every single day. Okay? Maraming salamat po and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!